Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard 7th Geography, Unit 2, Tourism. It's a very interesting topic. So, last class we discussed a topic tourism attraction in India. Today discuss the topic tourism. The tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. Tourism attraction in Tamil Nadu. Religious tourism, hill station in Tamil Nadu, waterfalls in Tamil Nadu, tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. You know the most famous Kodaikanal and Ooty and Yerkod, that all that in the places. So religious tourism that means what, children? It is on the pilgrimage center. It is on the holy place. That is on the religious tourism. Another one. Hill station in Ooty, Kodaikanal and Yelagiri, that's in the tourism. Hill station in Tamil Nadu. Another one, waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Okay, now let us discuss the topic tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu.
Tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has various tourist attractions like religious centers, spiritual retreat centers, beaches, hill stations, waterfalls, wildlife, art, culture, architecture, crafts, heritage monuments, etc. The government of Tamil Nadu has recognized the importance of tourism long ago and facilitated its development in this direction. Exploring new avenues like medical tourism and adventure tourism in the past decades have helped Tamil Nadu tourism to achieve more than 20% annual growth. Tamil Nadu earns the largest share of income from tourism in India. Next, discuss the topic religious tourism. So, religious tourism, that means for children, it's going, it is going to the holy places. Tamil Nadu is a state popularly known as land of temples. What, children? Land of temple, and has been the greatest source for the spiritual rejuvenation for travelers all over the world. The state is home to around 33,000 ancient temples that mainly belongs to Dravidian style of architecture. Some of the world renovated the religious destinations are as follows: Tanjore Big Temple, Madurai Meenakshi Temple, Rameswaram Ramanatha Swami Temple, temples of Kanjipuram, Velanganni Mata Church, Nagur Dargah. This is a religious tourism. It is on the holy places. Next, hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, being situated in the southern end of Western and Eastern Ghats, is the home of several hill stations. Popularly among them are Udagamandalam, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Yerkad, Kunnur, Valpare, Yelagiri, Sirumalai, Kalrayan Hills and Palani Hills, Servarai Hills and Cardom Hills. They are also abodes of thick forest and wildlife. Ooty, Queen of Hills. Yerkadu, Lake Forest. Poor Man's Ooty. Which is a poor man's Ooty? Yerkad. Yelagiri, the 14 Airbnb Bends. Kodaikanal, Princess of Hill Station. Kotagiri, Green Hills. Vellayangiri Hills, the Kailash of South. Vellayangiri Hills, what, children? Kailash of the South. Kolli Hills, motor able retreat with 70 airbin bends. Animalai Hills, top slip. Megamalai, Highway mountains. Javadi, nature's heaven. So next discuss the topic waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Mountains and rivers of Tamil Nadu combined together created many enduring waterfalls. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu with its inspiring natural wonders attracts many tourists. A thick thick green trees, the steep hills and a boat is a gushing water in the most rejuvenating. Here is a list of famous waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Oganekal Falls. Waterfalls and decided geographical location. Oganekal Waterfalls. It is a beautiful waterfall located in Dharmaburi district. Next, Kumbakarai Falls. Kumbakarai Falls. River River Pomber the cascades to form this fall at the foothills of Kodaikanal in Theni district. Monkey Falls. This waterfall lies on Anamalai Hills range in Coimbatore, surrounded by evergreen forest. Killiyur Falls, situated in the Servarayan Hill ranges of the Eastern Ghats. Kutralam. Kutralam is located in Tirunelveli district. It is known for medical spa. Agaya Gangai. It is a waterfall in Puliyajolai on Kolli Hills in Eastern Ghats of Namakkal district. Surli Falls. This fall is also called as Cloudland Falls or Megamalai Falls. It is located in Theni district. Let us recall that point. Tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu, hill stations in Tamil Nadu, waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. We will discuss the next class. Thank you.